Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw custom dotted curved line in Photoshop. Create a new layer. Click the pen tool. Fill. I do not use fill. Stroke. Select stroke color. Any color. Stroke size. Okay, and see this straight line, dash line, dotted line. As your wish, you select any more, anything. I click the dotted line. Step 1, and again create a new layer. I do not use for this line, I use dash line. Okay, then custom, click, hold alter, okay, and straight, press Ctrl T, right click on your mouse again, rasterize layer, press Ctrl T, add curve line. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel and like, comment, share.